How to make a payment with Plaid. To connect your bank account via Plaid to make a payment, click on Pay this request now in the payment request email. Next, verify your identity by entering your name, mobile number, and current address. Enter a password to create a DepositLink account, which will allow you to view your payment history and download payment receipts. Once that's done, click on Continue. Next, select the Connect with Plaid option to connect your bank account securely using your online banking login credentials. Plaid provides the same account verification service for Venmo and American Express. If you have used Plaid before, enter your mobile number to connect to your bank quickly, or click on Continue as Guest to proceed. Enter the name of the bank you would like to connect to. Plaid connects to more than 13,000 banks and credit unions throughout the United States. Select your bank or credit union from the search results. Now enter your online banking login credentials to see your bank accounts. Plaid will display your available bank accounts and balances. After you select a bank account, Plaid will do a balance check to confirm there are sufficient funds to cover the requested payment amount. Click on Continue. You can enter your mobile phone number if you would like Plaid to save and encrypt your connection to your bank, or click on Finish without saving to proceed. Your bank account is now connected. Confirm the information related to your payment is correct and click on Send Payment. Now click on Send Payment to complete your payment. You have successfully made your payment, which will clear in 1 to 3 business days. You can download or forward a copy of the payment receipt on this page. Updated payment receipts and status alerts will be emailed to you automatically until the payment clears. Click on the login link at the top right to see your DepositLink payment history. Sign in to your DepositLink account with your email address and password. Your DepositLink payment history will be displayed here. Click on Transactions on the left to track your payment in real time. The status of your payment will update automatically on this page. Click on the 3 dots on the right to download a payment receipt. Thank you for using DepositLink.